Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Jules Street. If you're new here, I'm Jules, and this is where I share my love of luxury and fashion, which is usually in the form of fine jewelry, leather goods, and beauty. So if you're into any of those things, please make sure to subscribe. I'd love to see you here more often. So I started the new year feeling very celebratory, and I'm almost paying homage to my very first video on YouTube. I'll link that above. You'll see why in a moment. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start unboxing. The essay was so sweet. She mentioned that they were out of, I think there was a seasonal ribbon, but she managed to include these ribbon charms, and they're so adorable. So this one is a camellia flower, and as you can see, it has like a little pearl in it. It's so pretty. How pretty is this? So this is what it looks like in the back, just in case you were curious, but it's a very pretty charm. There's another one as well on the box, and as you can see, it's an adorable little Chanel heart. Look at how cute that heart is. I'd love to repurpose these. If you have any ideas on how to repurpose these beautiful charms, let me know in the comments down below. So it comes in the standard Chanel box. Comes in, you can probably guess what this is from the hints I gave earlier, and dust bag that it comes in, but it is, in fact, a Chanel WOC. It actually came with a couple of other things. So I actually haven't gotten this in the US before, but 5 tips by Chanel leather goods. So wear, protect, care, storage, and appreciate. This is really cute. It also came with, oh, I actually I've never gotten anything like this before. I don't know what this is. I'm wondering if this might be the soft cloth, or like it's like a mitt or something that you would use to clean the bag. It looks like it could be a cleaning cloth of some kind. That's what it feels like anyways. And I am more familiar with the booklet with the smaller booklets inside. Just carefully remove the sticker here. Oop, it was almost a clean cut. There's another sticker. Oh, look at that gold and pink hardware. Et voila. Look at how pretty this color is. So believe it or not, this is indeed another classic Chanel wallet on chain, or WOC if you will. This is caviar leather, and it's in an absolutely gorgeous pink color. So pretty. I picked this darling up when I had a layover at London Heathrow Airport. I was traveling with a family member, and we decided to take a look at the small leather goods that they had, and one thing led to another, and I ended up taking this lovely bag home with me instead. So a few details about this bag. The official color name is light pink, which I would have to agree with. It is quite fitting. It's such a lovely color, and it matches beautifully with the gold hardware. This is from the 23K collection, which I believe is the 2023 pre-fall winter collection. So this ended up being 2,810 British pounds, which is roughly $3,500. I am so happy to add this bag to my collection. I've absolutely fallen in love with the color pink this last year, and I'm so excited to just start adding some color to my leather goods collection. If you've watched my previous videos, you know I've been pretty focused more on neutrals, and so I can't wait to start wearing this, especially in the spring. It will just look so nice with all of my spring outfits. So they actually had another pink color in lambskin, but it was more of a salmon-y type of color. And when I tried them both on, this one appealed to me more, and it was I felt like this was more versatile. Absolutely love the Chanel WOCs, as you can tell. This is my third one. And if you're curious as to what fits inside, because I know it doesn't really look like much, especially when it's empty, I definitely recommend you check out my other two videos. But this is the inside of the bag, and it is made in France and has the secret pocket that goes all the way down right here, all the way, as well as another zip pocket right here, and the zippers all move nicely. Another pocket, as well as another pocket. That's what I love about this bag. There's a lot more storage than you would think, and there's cards if you don't want to use a dedicated card holder. And what's nice about the structure of this bag is that it's almost like an accordion, and it opens up a bit, which, like you'll see in my other videos, I show you exactly what fits, so I definitely recommend checking that out if you're curious. But it's a perfect day-to-day essentials bag. And I love that the CC is small, it's sweet, it's cute, it's classic. It's just me. If you enjoyed this video or you like this type of content, please consider liking and subscribing. I'd love to see you along for the journey this year. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I will do my best to answer them. Happy New Year, and I can't wait to see what this year has in store for us. Bye!